Hey friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Awais and today I'm going to be unboxing the Mi portable electric air compressor. It's probably the best looking air compressor that you'll get, and it's portable and it's by Mi or Xiaomi. On the other side you can see that it's for bicycle tires, motorcycle tires, car tires and inflatable balls. Let's just get this opened up. Let's put this to one side. This is quite big user manual, obviously it's in different languages, so it gives you a fair amount of information here. Another booklet which is the warranty notice, and here we have a pouch and a cable. So we have a cable, a needle and the valve for your car. Right off the bat, this looks pretty cool aesthetically. It's really nice. I mean, I love the fact that it's just black and it's simple. There's not much information on there. It's just a nice looking air compressor really. It's not heavy at all. I don't know if it gets any heavy when it's fully charged. It sort of looks like an iPod, to be honest. I mean, you got this click wheel here. You got plus, minus. You have a micro USB at the bottom that you can, I think it looks pretty cool, and it's not heavy like I said. So it should all come charged up in the box anyway. If it isn't, put it to charge. But to switch it on, all you got to do is just pull this and you can see the display is on. At the bottom, you have a light as well to indicate that it's powered on. To increase the bar or the PSI, just press the top button, which is the plus sign, or you can just press minus. You can toggle through presets, I believe these are. So this is for a cycle, so 45 PSI. You have a motorcycle, which is 2.4 bar. You have a vehicle at 2.5 bar and a basketball or inflatable balls at 0.08 bars. And you also have this torch button. So if you're going to be using this at night and you haven't got a torch nearby, then you can see at the top here, every time I press the button, it switches on and off the torch. So let's go check it out and inflate some tires. Okay, so all you got to do is plug that in, make sure it's nice and tight, choose the vehicle and then choose the PSI, which for front tire is 2.3, and click middle button.